How to find Binance user ID in the Binance app. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, we are going to show you how we can find our Binance user ID in the Binance mobile app. So let's just dive right into the video. First of all, head over and open up the Binance app on your mobile device, and once you're in the app, look for the profile icon. It is at the upper left corner of your screen with the Binance icon. You can find that very easily. And once you're here, you can easily find your user ID. But in order to see it more, you can just tap on your user ID right here, and you can find your user ID just above your username, just above your email ID very easily. So you may just copy your user ID if you want, and that is how you can find a user ID, which is super easy. So just follow the steps and that is it. Now you know how you can find your Binance user ID in just a few simple steps. So if you found this video or tutorial helpful, be sure to hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips like this. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy trading.